Most people think that life is happening to them, but it's not. Life is happening through them. You see, your outer world is simply a mirror reflecting your inner state back to you, like your thoughts, your emotions, your dominant frequency. So, for example, if you're constantly feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or unworthy, life will match that. Not because the world is cruel, but because the universe is accurate. On the flip side, the moment you shift your internal state to love, gratitude, joy, certainty, your external world begins to reorganize around that frequency. Because you don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. This is why people can hustle for years and still feel stuck because they never shift their state of being. So the secret is you must become the version of you that already has the life that you desire, emotionally, mentally, energetically. Life is not random, it's reactive. It's reflecting you right now. Change your state, and your life has to follow.